Ukuba umuntu wesifazane kakhulukazi owumzali osemusha kulesi sikhathi samanje ukubona okubuhlungu kakhulu ngoba wena umuntu olula ukuthi baku-exploit noma bedlale ngawo. Emotionally, financially, mentally and economically. Hhayi ngoba ukuba umzali kuyi-weakness kodwa ngenxa yokuthi le system yolawulo ithathe advantage kubantu abane-biological and emotional bond namanye ama-species esikubiza ngokuthi yiy'ngane. Sinento ebizwa ngokuthi i-oxytocin. I-oxytocin is often called a bonding hormone ngoba inyusa indlela onakekela ngayo iyanyuka kakhulu emva kokuzala nangesikhathi unakekela umntwana umncelisa umgeza wenza yonke leyo nto. Wenza ukuthi ube attached, ufuna ukumnakekela, ube nozwelo uze usacrifice. Umuntu omama-ke osemusha uyahlala even kumimisebenzi e-toxic, nama-relationships a-toxic, ne-environment e-exhaustayo ngenxa yomntanakhe, ngenxa yokuthi ubheke nje ukuthi hawu umntanami ephile survive. Abantu ababaqashike bathatha i-advantage yalokho ngoba bayakwazi kahle lokho. Yimi engangiyisisulu salokho. 2013 nganginomntwana ngihlala e-Eastern Cape, ngathola ithuba lokuthi ngizohamba ngiyosebenza ngibe ngasekhaya. Angizange ngize ngiwuthole loyo msebenzi ngenxa yokuthi I was the only one in the market, but I was the best person to exploit at that particular moment because I needed to move back home. This job was going to allow me to be closer to my family, which was great at the time. But the only reason why I stayed for 8 years in that organization is because I was constantly being exploited because of my bonding hormone that I had towards my kid, which I was staying with until my child was 10 years old, until I woke up from my deep sleep. Umuntu owumama uya-accepta even i-underpayment ngenxa yokuthi usaba i-instability for umntanakhe. Uyahlala kuma-abusive relationships ukuze avoide ukuthi ahlukanise umndeni. Uyayeka ngisho lento yokuthi anake ukuthi hayibo ngaze ngane-burnout ngenxa yokuthi i-society iyayi-glorify i-sacrifice. Iningi-ke labantu bahlala even ey'kweletini ku-survival mode ngoba be-dependent ngenxa yokuthi ukukhwitha ku-too risky uma umntwana e-involved. I-modern system-ke i-reward i-obedience nabantu abasurvive-ayo over abantu abafuna ukuphila bekhululeke. Abantu abawomama-ke bona bayizisulu zabo bonke laba bantu. Vuka mntomnyama.